Imagine walking into your garden every single Friday, harvesting fresh vegetables and selling them for cash the very next morning. No waiting months for a harvest, no seasonal gaps, just a consistent, weekly paycheck. Most farmers make the mistake of planting everything at once. They get a huge harvest in 1 week and then nothing for months. That is a recipe for business failure. Today, I am going to show you the top 3 fastest growing vegetables that are designed for a continuous harvest system. I'll also teach you the secret technique of succession planting, so you can guarantee a harvest every 7 days. If you want steady cash flow in 2026, keep watching. First on our list is the sprinter of the vegetable world, radishes, specifically varieties like Cherry Belle or French Breakfast. From the moment you drop the seed into the soil, they are ready to pull out in just 22 to 25 days. Here is the strategy. Do not plant your whole field at once. Instead, plant 1 row of radishes every Friday. By week 4, your first row is ready to harvest and sell, creating a never-ending cycle. As soon as you harvest a row, you replant it immediately. In the U.S. market, fresh organic radishes sell for a premium price and take up very little space. At number 2 is the highest volume crop you can grow, loose-leaf lettuce. We are talking about varieties like black-seeded Simpson or red Sales. Unlike head lettuce, you don't have to wait for the whole head to form. You can start harvesting outer leaves in just 30 days. This is perfect for the cut-and-come-again method. You cut the larger outer leaves to sell in salad mix bags and leave the center to keep growing. A week later, it's ready again. A simple 4-ounce bag of mixed lettuce can sell for $5 to $7. If you provide pesticide-free mixes, you will have loyal customers for life. At number 3, we have a high-value gourmet green, arugula, also known as rocket. This peppery green is a favorite in high-end restaurants and is ready to harvest in just 21 days. Because arugula wilts quickly, supermarkets often struggle with quality. This is your advantage. Local and fresh is your biggest selling point. Chefs love it and will pay top dollar for it. Like lettuce, you can harvest arugula weekly. Just dedicate 4 small beds to this crop and plant them 1 week apart to have a continuous supply of expensive gourmet greens. The secret to making this work is discipline. You must plant seeds every single week. This is called succession planting. It turns your farm into a factory line. 1 section is being seeded, 1 is growing, and 1 is being harvested. This ensures that you never have a week without income. So, pick one of these crops, radishes, lettuce, or arugula, and start your weekly cycle today. I have linked the best seed varieties and harvesting tools in the description below to help you get started. If you want to learn how to package these vegetables to double your profit, make sure to subscribe because that is coming up next. Happy farming and see you in the next video.